they're building a trap, but I.
But what?
But I just want.
What do you want?
Well, I just it's the sparrow. She saved my life once, and well, can't you kind of sort of spare her a little?
You mean like I spared you once some time ago? Let's see now. Why ever did I do that?
Well...
Because you promised to be my spy in the sky. Remember? Right, my friend. I am king of the birds, ruler of the sky. So you understand that when this Oliver tries to turn the birds against me, then he must go.
I want to resign.
Pardon me, I didn't quite catch that.
Never mind.
Good. That settles that.